Well, my name is Urs Sokolai, and I'm the advisor to the mayor of Zuglo, which is the 14th district in Budapest. Out of the 23, we are the third by population, 125,000 inhabitants. So there's a lot of mobility problem challenges in the district, so we are very glad to be in the Sunrise program. Well, we choose Sunrise, and the most important program we are running about 5 international programs now, because we feel and the mayor's initiative is to work out a good program for Sunrise as a model for the whole district and probably for whole Budapest. This is, on one hand, it is the bottom-up initiative, bottom-up approach of planning. And the second most important is mobility. We understand that mobility is more than traffic. So we deal with people's moving, people connections to each other, connection to the school and the workplaces. So those kind of society-based questions, and our mayor's initiative is to deal with communities, the first. Then the second most important for Zuglo is to be green, environmentally, physically and mentally green. And so I think those are very, very appropriate challenges for us. We are very glad that Zuglo is a well-developing, mostly residential district out of the inner city of Budapest, but not on the skirt area. We have good connections to the city as well, and locally it is quite well-organized district. By population, we are the third in Budapest with 125,000 inhabitants, and we have 3 universities, 2 private universities are there, good companies. We have a good relationship to our companies. We try to involve them as well as a participative manner to the governance as well. And we try to give more and more power to the people. People means residents, workers, and company owners as well. Companies like Siemens are there, or IKEA, so big ones as well. Well, the challenges. The biggest challenge, I think, is to change the mentality of people living there, because during the communist era and even after the communist era, after the political changes, they've never were asked what they want to do or how to do. They just went to the election 4 years often, and they just vote for politicians or a party. And now this is a challenge: how to make them understand that politics can be different. We have a party named Politics Can Be Different, because this is a challenging process. But we established this process before. We dealt with the Butterfly Park program, in which people, about 120 people, were involved in planning, in designing the Butterfly Park. So we based on Pilango Park is a part of the Törökőr neighbourhood. We are dealing with Sunrise. We found that the local schools are very important for the residents and the companies as well. So we try to involve schools in the project and to organize mobility plans for the schools, like Kiss and Go program, and the biking as a mobility is getting more and more important in Budapest as well. So we try to have innovative tools for developing the biking system. Well, I just made notes to myself what to do at home. So we call a local meeting with the councillors involved in Törökör neighbourhood and the biggest companies, and we have some NGOs are active in that area. So we will inform them for the first time as the Anstem ladder, information and then engagement and then participation. And so we try to make those steps seriously. And I think we should have a picture of the neighborhood, how they see it, and we will discuss it, and then from the picture we will have some plans, some ideas from the ground, and we will develop that later.